Have you ever wondered where a higher education course could take you? Online courses allow students to visit continents, dissection labs, and recycling plants hundreds of miles away. One instructor, though, wanted to travel further. In his game development course, Professor Nick Heitzman wanted to bring his students' experience learning online to the next level. His course is an exploration of game design that literally immerses students in a game. Students become players on a mission to space, where they must complete a series of expeditions to complete the mission parameters, or as we would say back on Earth, to pass the course. The students begin their space exploration with an orientation where the instructor, as the mission director, introduces himself and briefs the students, as the crew, on the details of the mission. Students activate the mission control page and begin their journey. Students do not need to complete their exploration in a particular order. They have the power to choose how their learning will develop, although Professor Heitzman does make recommendations. As the online learning space becomes fully immersive and engaging, students can easily navigate their way from one task to another. Professor Heitzman guides their progress along the way.
Hello, nice to meet you. I am Nick Heitzman, your missions director, and before I get started, I just wanted to introduce myself to you, give you a little bit of my background, since we're going to be spending so much time together over the next few virtual weeks or months or years in the metaverse.
Professor Heitzman's enthusiasm for games mirrors his mission to foster student success. He walks his players through various steps of building games in software systems and ensures his lectures provide solid knowledge foundations for his players' performance.
You'll see a lot of this in the game world as we put it together. So literally this set here, these items make the entire game. So that's what I meant about, if you make a small set, you're able to create a robust, insanely giant world full of content based on that set.
In each expedition, students navigate through specific tasks, including viewing galleries, completing whiteboard documentation of their learning, participating in crew discussions, and submitting mission reports. As in any well-designed course, game, or space mission, students have all the information they need to complete their mission successfully. In Professor Heitzman's game development course, students learn, participate, create, and collaborate in completely unique and substantial ways.
And then you submit it, and that's it. You are done. You have built a 3D game.
They engage in a gamified learning experience that is only possible in an online environment, illustrating the possibilities and unexpected places online learning can go.